Now I will explain you Net Profiter Restaurant's reports module. This is reports module. Here in reports module, you can see the reports of purchase, sale and every transactions reports. Okay. Here you will get reports in four different types: graphical, summary, detailed and inventory also. And also in downloads, you can get the download of the reports. Now I will explain you these four types of different reports one by one. First is graphical. Here in graphical, you will get graphical wise report in six different types like pie chart, bar chart, radar chart, polar chart, line graph, and donate chart also. Okay, to see the reports, here in the report type, you need to select whose report you want to see. Like I will select category, and in type you want to select sales or returns, you can select that particularly. And in date, you can select the date of which date you want to see the report. After selecting date, when you click on display, that reports graph will be shown here. Okay, to see the graph, you need to click on that graph, on which graph you want to see the report. Like I will click on pie chart, and here in pie chart, you will get the details of that report. And when you hover on that graph, you will get the details of that graph. Okay, and on the right side, you can see the summary of the report like subtotal, tax, total, cost, and profit of the report also. This is how you can see the graph. You can see it in bar chart also. In bar chart also, you will get the details of the report. Okay. Same, you can select the customer. You can click on display. You will get the graph of that customer report. In which graph you want to see the report, you can click and you can see the report in the graph. Okay. Here you will get the category, customer, discounts, employee, items, payments, sales, and tax related reports. You can select which report types report you want to see. You can select it and you can display and you can see the graph wise report in graphical report. Okay, next is summary. Here in summary wise report, you will get all the summary wise reports of the report type. Okay, to search to see the summary wise report, here in report type, you need to select the report type of which report you want to see the report, of which report type you want to see the report, and in type you need to select the sale returns, or you can keep it as all, because if you keep it as all, it will show all sales and returns both included. And in the date bar, you can select the date of which date you want to see the report. And once you have done, when you click on display, it will show that day's report. Okay, and that report types report, where you can see the summary date. Okay, and in summary date, you can see the subtotal, tax, total, cost, and profit also. And in the detailed, you can see the item name, quantity, subtotal, total, item tax, cost, and profit of that item also. You can export this report into your system, or else you can mail this report to your email address also. This is how summary report looks like. And here you can select the report type, of which report type you want to see the report. You will get category, customer, discount, employee, items, payments, sales, taxes, and HSN sale summary also. You just need to select the report type. Okay, and when you click on display, it will show that report types report. This is how you can see the summary report. Next is detailed report. In detailed report, you will get the detailed report of the report type. Here you can see the detailed report of the report type. Okay, for that you need to select the report type here, of which report type you want to see the detailed report. I will select sale. In type you can select sales, or you want to see the sales returns. You can select that. If you keep it all, it will show both sales and sales returns report. And in date, here you can select the date, of which date you want to see the report. You can select that, and after that, when you click on display, you will get the detailed report of the report type, where you can see the two types of report here. This is summary wise report and this is detailed report. In summary wise report, it will show you the bill counts. Okay, and the date also, of which date the report is showing you. In that you can see the subtotal, CGST, SGST, IGST, cess, and total tax also. And in the total, you can see the total amount, cost, and the profit what you have gained. Okay, and in detailed report, it will show you the sale ID, sale date, quantity, how much quantity of item you have sold, sold by, sold to whom, GST, subtotal, total, and tax, total tax, cost, profit, and payment mode also. By what type of payment mode the payment has been received. This is how you can see the detailed report. In report type, you can select the report type of whose report type you want to see the detailed report. Okay, you can see the sale, purchase, customer, employee, items, discount, outstanding, Swiggy, Zomato also. Okay, like that you can see the detailed report. Just you need to select the report type and you need to display it. Okay, you will get the detail. You can export this report into your system also by clicking on export. You will get the download item summary report here. By clicking on this, it will be exported on your system. And also you can send this report through email also. Next report type is inventory report. In inventory report, you can see the inventory of the items. Okay, this is related to inventory management. Okay, just for that, to see the inventory report, here in report type you will get 6 inventory type of reports like low inventory, stock expiry, summary, inventory stock, stock evaluation, soon to expiry. I will explain you one by one. In report type, first is low inventory. When you click on low inventory and when you click on display, you will get the low inventory items which are available. Okay, low inventory months which are out of stock items. Okay, here in summary you can see the current quantity is zero, total quantity and sold quantity. Here you will get the in summary in detail you will get the name of the item, category, quantity, low inventory months, which item are been nil or out of stock items. Okay, it will show your current quantity zero, reorder level, sold quantity or how much, and total quantity also it will be show. Here also you can export this report, email this report, or you can take a print of this report. Next is stock expiry. When you select the stock expiry and when you click on display, you will get stock expiry items. Like in stock expiry items, the items which are in the stock and those items are expired. The expired items are shown here with the detailed and summary report. Like you will get the item name, category, batch ID, current quantity, and expiry date also. Next is summary report. When you click on summary and when you click on display, you will get the summary report. In summary report, you will get the two types of report here, summary and detailed. In summary report, you can see the current quantity, total quantity and sold quantity of the items. In name, in detailed, you can see the name of the items, category, current quantity are how much, reorder level, sold quantity are how much, and total quantity are how much. You can see that. Here you can see the summary report. This report also you can export it. You can make a email also of this report and you can take a print of this report also. Next is inventory stock. When you select the report type and when you click on display, you will get the inventory report. In inventory report, it will show you inventory report of the items at your store. Okay, where you can see the summary report and detailed report. In summary report, it will show you the current quantity of the items, total quantity, and sold quantity also. Okay, and in detailed, you can see the name of the item, category, batch ID, quantity, current quantity, reorder level, sold quantity, and total quantity. This report also you can export it, email it, and you can take a print also. Next report is stock evaluation. When you select the report type and when you click the display, you will get the stock evaluation report where you can see the details as shown in the other report type. It will also show you the summary where you can see the current quantity, total quantity, subtotal, tax, total cost, and sold quantity. And in detail, you will get the name of the item, batch ID, cost price, current quantity, subtotal, tax, total, sold quantity, and total quantity. It will give the stock evaluation of the inventory. Okay. Next report type is soon to expiry. When you select the report type and when you click on display, you will get all the details of the items which are soon to expire. Here you will get the items which are soon to expire. So you can see the items which are going to expire soon, where you will get the item name, category, batch ID, current quantity, and expiry date. Here also you can export the report, email the report, or take the print of the report. These are the four types of report types. The next is downloads. Here in downloads, you can download the particular reports. Okay. For that, you need to select the date of from which date you want to select the report and report type. It will show you includes returns, exclude returns, or only returns. You need to download the report. You can select that. And when you select the report type, here you need to select the report type of which report type you want to download. Okay, after selecting the report type, when you click on generate, the report type will be shown here. Okay, where you can see the report name, report type, generated date and time, start date, end date, and the status also. In status, you can see the status of the report type. When you refresh it, here you will get the download option. Okay, when you click on download button, the report type will be downloaded in your desktop. You need to give the name of the report, and when you click on save, the report type will be saved. Like this, you can download the item wise purchase, single supplier, and all supplier reports. If you want to delete the report, you can delete it and the report will be deleted. This is how reports module work of our NetProfiter restaurant.